Good evening, everybody. It's BaySMR here, and I figured I would do a quick haul video. I recently got an order from HAUS Laboratories, which is the Lady Gaga cosmetic company. So this is the card that came with the delivery, and it came in this bubble envelope. I honestly can't even remember what I got, but I'm sitting at my art table, and this is the card that came with it, and it just has a note from HAUS Laboratories and a little thing from Lady Gaga. And I don't know if you can see this, but she just says, when I was young, I never felt beautiful. And as I struggled to find a sense of both inner and outer beauty, I discovered the power of makeup. I remember watching my mother put her makeup on every morning, basking in the glow of her power to put on her bravest face as the hard-working woman she was. I then began to experiment with makeup as a way to make my dreams of being as strong as my mother become true. It was then that I invented Lady Gaga. I found the superhero within me by looking in the mirror and seeing who I wanted to be. Sometimes beauty doesn't come naturally from within, but I'm so grateful that makeup inspired a bravery in me I didn't know I had. I've come to accept that I discovered my beauty by having the ability to invent myself and transform. They said I was weird, but really I was just born this way. Love, Lady Gaga. It's a nice message. And then you can see her in the center here looking beautiful as always. Okay, so let's see what I got. And this is the first time I'm opening all this stuff. So I honestly don't remember how many items I got or even what I got. I think that's everything. Yep, that's it. So I got 5 items, and let's see, this is a liquid eyeliner. The spelling is interesting. A matte liquid eyeliner, and this one is in the color Whiskey. So I like getting different colored liquid eyeliners. Oh wow, the packaging is really nice. The end kind of has like a, what is that term? Where it turns into a different color. Gosh, I can't think of it. But it's turning brown at the tip. Here's the tip. Oh wow, that's really nice. I'm really excited to use this. The brush tip looks really nice, and it goes on really pigmented. I'll check in a little bit after it dries to see how well it stays on, but this looks like it's really, really nice. Okay, This next item is a matte lip crayon. It's called Le Monster Matte Lip Crayon in the color Dust. I think this is one of the newer items that came out recently from HAUS Laboratories. And, oh shoot, I have to use a scissor to try to open this. I apologize. Actually, I'm just gonna have to cut it. Oh, this is really hard to open. There we go. Okay, so I'm not sure if I think it's double-sided. So it's like a lipstick, almost like a pale beigey nude. And then I think it's double-sided. I'm not sure how this opens. Oh, there it goes. I guess maybe it doesn't do anything. I thought it was supposed to be double-sided, but I could be wrong. Oh well. So there's that. Let's check the eyeliner. Oh, look at that. That stays on really well. Nice. I'm really excited to put that on. Okay, so this is Le Riot Lip Gloss in Venus. I think most of her stuff is named after songs. It looks like it's kind of the packaging is really cool. Oh wow, look at the applicator, it's really nice. It's a really pretty color. There's no flavor to it. It's a really nice applicator. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of curved, the doe foot. And there's a little space in the center so that it can accrue product. This is a really pretty color. That's it right there. It feels nice on the lips, not sticky. And I'll have to look in the mirror to see how it goes on. And then this is another Le Riot lip gloss, and it's in the color Ethereal. And it's kind of a similar color, it looks like, except it's more of a pink, whereas the other one was more nude. Oh, that's so pretty. It's very faint sparkles in it. And it's completely unscented and unflavored. And then the last thing I have is Glam Attack. I'm not even sure what it is. Oh, I think it's an eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow in the color Aphrodite. And this one I'm excited to check out. It has similar packaging to the gloss, where it's got like this little diamond point at the base. And a similar arched doe foot. Oh, that is so pretty. Apparently you can use these on your eyelids as well as on your face and your lips. I think this one will look really nice. It's like an eyeshadow. It would also be a good highlighter. It's almost like a champagne-y pink, very faint rose gold with glitter, and the glitter has hints of pink and green and silver. I don't know if you can even tell, but it probably holds really well. I can already see from it drying that I'm touching it and there's almost no transfer. So it's very quick drying and it's probably gonna stay on really well. She doesn't have a lot of products right now available on the website, but what she does have, it looks like it's pretty good quality. So I'm excited to try more and test it out. And then when I finish this video, I'm gonna take these products into the bathroom and see how they look. So we've got, these are really pretty. We've got the 2 lip glosses. And then the one cream liquid eyeshadow. The matte lip crayon. And then the liquid eyeliner felt tip. This one's great. I think this is probably going to be one of the best felt tip eyeliners that I've used in a long time, because I can see that the liner didn't bleed and it's staying on really well. It's really pretty. So if you guys want to have me do a follow-up video letting you know how everything came out, or doing a review on these products, let me know. Please leave a comment, like the video, subscribe, you know, all that usual stuff that really helps me out, because it can get my videos out to more people and I can hopefully grow my channel and have better content, and eventually I can afford to get a nicer camera, a better microphone, and make the videos even better. But I know this was a quick impromptu video, but I hope you all enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. And I hope you'll join me again next time. Everybody have a wonderful evening, and I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy during this time. Okay. Thank you all so much.